Hello guys, hello everyone. I hope all are doing well and fine. So guys, I'm Lohit Jindal and I welcome you back to our next session of IOQM 2022 solutions. So today guys in this video अपन second question करने जा रहे हैं. Second question of IOQM 2022. So it's again a 2 marker. So guys, this question is very much easy because also we have done exactly very similar question in our maths Olympiad course, right? तो हमने पहले से वो करके रखा हुआ है सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन. सो आई थिंक दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन शुड बी डन इन द क्लास, इन द टेस्ट, सॉरी, राइट? तो लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चन गाइस. Okay, let's see the question. Okay, sorry, there's a second question. So guys, let's read the question and draw the diagram. Okay, so in a parallelogram ABCD, okay, let's draw the parallelogram. Okay guys, just a second, let me find the shape of the parallelogram. All right, something of this sort. Okay, so this is the parallelogram that we have. Okay, so let's say it is ABCD. Okay, let me name them. So guys, this is A, B, C and D. Okay, तो guys क्या बोला जा रहा है, देखो, a point P on the segment AB. Okay, AB के ऊपर एक point P लिया हमने, such that AP is to AB 61 by 2022. तो guys P point यहाँ पे लिया हमने कुछ satisfying the criteria. Okay, so that AP is to AB 61 by 2022 and a point Q on the segment AD. Okay, AD के ऊपर Q point ले लिया हमने, यहाँ Q point, such that AQ upon AD is 61 upon 2065. That is also fine. We'll use that later on. I'll mark them accordingly, the sides. Okay, but never mind. आगे क्या बोला है guys? If PQ intersects AC at T. Okay, तो guys PQ को join कर देते हैं and it intersects AC, which is the diagonal at T. All right, this point is T. Okay, find AC upon AT. Okay, AC upon AT. So guys, how it should be done, let's see. So guys, similar question we have done in our course also. Let me show you कैसे कर सकते हैं. Guys, what do you need to do is extend BC. Okay, first of all, extend BC. Okay, also connect it with PQ or extend PQ like this. Okay, so basically the thing is guys, extend PQ and BC to intersect it them at Q. Sorry, R, you can say, name it as R. Take this point as R. Okay, just a second. Okay, okay guys, so एक point ले लेंगे हम R. Okay, now what do we need to do? देखो थोड़ा सा guys वो sides mark करते हैं. So let me use some variables. Okay, accordingly. तो देखो guys, क्या दिया हुआ है? AP is to AB is 61 is to 2022. So guys, can I take AP as 61y, है ना? 61y लेट कर लेते हैं, तो टोटल PB कितना होगा? See guys, if I consider the whole AB, है ना, पूरे AB को 2022y मान लेते हैं, AP कितना है? 61y है. So ये कितना हो जाएगा? 2022 minus 61. So this will be another 1961y. Right, this will also be 1961y, only the PB distance है ना, because we are being given the ratio of AP is to AB. तो guys मैंने क्या assume किया, पूरा AB कितना है? 2022y. out of that AP is 61y, so how much is PB? 1961y. right, got this concept? Similarly guys, AQ upon AD is given to be 61 upon 2065. so similarly guys, अगर मैं AQ को मानता हूं that this distance is, let's say, 61x this time, how much will be QD? Let's understand how much will be QD. So guys, 2065 minus 61, so that is 2004. That should be 2004x. Right, just let me confirm guys the question is correct or not. I think there is some mistake maybe. Let me just check. All right, the question is fine, guys. So it is correct. No issues there. Okay. So now, guys, how do we solve this? The point is, guys, if this AD, I'm taking AD as 2065x है ना, तो यहाँ पे BC भी कितना हो जाएगा 2065x. Okay, let me mark here 2065x. ठीक है. Now, guys, how do we use this? Very importantly, guys, देखो ये वाला जो एंगल है, एंगल APT is equal to angle PBR. Sorry, BPR, vertically opposite angles. Okay, let me mark here angle APT is equal to angle BPR. The reason is vertically opposite angles. Other than this, guys, can I say angle A? Okay, or you can say angle QAP is equal to angle PBR. है ना? I'll mark it on the diagram. So, guys, this angle A is equal to angle PBR, right? How so? These are alternate angles. है ना? The reason is alternate angles. Right? Alternate angles हैं. Because parallelogram है तो parallel sides हैं वो. Right? So once this is done, guys, can I say that triangle APT, देखो now, what can I say? The triangle APT is similar to triangle BPR. Right? Using AA criteria, we can say this, that triangle APT is similar to triangle BPR. है ना? Fine, guys. So what can we say this? Say the ratios there are. So let us take AP from the triangle. First triangle. Second triangle में क्या मिलेगा, guys? Correspondingly BP. Right? So this should be equal to, similarly, if I pick AQ, sorry, not APT, sorry guys, APQ बोलना था मुझे. I'm sorry here. It is APQ, right? Angle APQ, triangle APQ is similar to triangle BPR. Okay. So AP upon BP is going to be equal to AQ. If I pick AQ from that triangle, the other triangle will be BR, right? So let's see, guys. Put करते हैं. AP कितना है? 61y upon BP, that is 1961y, right, is equal to AQ कितना है, guys? 61x. This is 61x upon BR हमें find करना है, right? I'll get BR from here. So guys, as you can see here, y and y cancels, 61 cancels. तो guys यहाँ से BR कितना मिल गया हमें? BR we are getting as 1961x. ये मिल गया 1961x, right? So BR हमें मिला इस तरह से. So basically, guys, what is this distance? I'll mark here 1961 times x. Got it? All right, guys. All right. Now, guys, let's come to the other triangle. Now, let's see. Can I say triangles pick करते हैं, guys? Now, it is very small triangle, but let's look at here. Triangle ATQ. Triangle ATQ. I'm going to say that it is similar to triangle CTR. So look at it carefully, guys. I'll mark the angles here now. तो guys देखो T पे जो angle है, okay, this angle is going to be vertically opposite angle again. Okay, let me show you with the green color here. So guys, angle ATQ is equal to angle CTR, vertically opposite angles, right? And angle QAT or DAT is going to be equal to angle TCR, right? Or you can say this angle is going to be equal to angle R. Okay, angle Q, जो Q पे angle बन रहा है, guys. Okay, I'll mark here with the double lines. Okay, you can see here, guys, that is going to be equal to angle R. Okay, I'll write here. Okay, this is by AA criteria, but I'll write the reason. तो guys, एक तो vertically opposite angle हो गया, वो तो आपको पता ही है. That is angle ATQ is equal to angle ATQ किसके इक्वल हो गया? CTR के. right? These are vertically opposite angles. And the other angle is angle, you can say AQT is equal to angle R, right? That the reason is what alternate angles. That is alternate angles, right? So due to this, the two triangles are similar now, right? By using AA criteria. So what does it give us? हमें guys क्या ढूंढना था? AC is to AT. So for the time being, let's find AT. If I pick AT for the other triangle, it is going to be CT, right? So it is equal to, अगर हमने लिखा इधर AQ, corresponding side, let's say we pick AQ, the corresponding side on the other triangle would be CR, right? So let's see guys, what is AQ? That is 61x. What is CR? CR क्या होगा guys? देखो BR है 1961x और BC है 2065x. So what is CR? Complete CR. So we add them up, right? तो कितना आएगा guys? Let me just see. 2000 and 2000, 4000 तो हो ही जाएगा. So 61 को 39 अगर आप वहां से देते हो, so we are left with 26. Okay. So as the addition of them will give you 4026x, है ना? उनका सम क्या आएगा? CR की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? 4026x. So you can see here guys, x और x तो कैंसिल हो गया. What you'll observe guys, कि कैंसिल होगा इसको. कितने पे कैंसिल होगा? Let's see. 1/6. 61 will cancel, 402 for 6, 366 आ जाएगा. Okay, 366 and 34, 346. Sorry, 402 है ना? Yeah. 61 into 6 is 366. So 36 is the remainder. Again 366. The value will be 66. So very interestingly, guys, what does this mean? That if I take AT, basically AT is to CT is 1:66. That means if I take AT as Z, right? Then what is CT? CT is 66Z. हमें क्या फाइंड करना है guys? AC is to AT. Let's see. So what is AC is to AT? तो guys AC कितना होगा? What is AC? AC can be written as AT plus TC. Let me show you. It is AT plus TC upon AT, right? So how much is it guys? वैसे CT upon AT भी आप कर सकते हो सीधा ही. So what is AT plus CT? So Z plus 66Z, that is 67Z upon AT is Z. So guys, what is the ratio that we are getting? That is 67. You can see here the final answer that we should be getting is 67, right? Okay, so guys, final answer that you will get for this question would be 67. That is AT is to AC. Sorry, AC is to AT is going to be 67 to the nearest integer. Right guys, so again, this question is also based on geometry and you can solve it using similarity very easily. है ना? Not at all difficult. You should be just comfortable with the ratios. है ना? इतना guys आपको करना पड़ेगा. So आना चाहिए देखो. Because if you're preparing for Maths Olympiad, this much is like you can say, you know, बस just the beginning. तो इतना तो आना चाहिए, इतना clear होना चाहिए. If you're able to do it, that is very well and good. All right. I hope guys you like the solution. If you guys do find the videos useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. और बच्चों अगर आप अपने relatives या friends को जो आपके ही age group में हैं who can be preparing for Maths Olympiad, also if they're not aware, do make them aware about it and also do recommend our channel. Will appreciate it a lot. Okay, it will encourage us to keep coming up with such videos. All right. So that's it guys. Take care and all the best for the upcoming exam. Okay, bye bye. Take care. Thank you.